Hello everyone, welcome back. Yes, I know it's been a while since I've last posted a full video. May or may not have been 3 months ago. But here we are. I know I posted an animation like the other day or something. I don't know, yesterday? I don't know, I did it like a day, it was lazy. Let's go! We got the Forgotten Warrior. Wait. Haven't... I feel like I've drawn her before. I just feel like I have. Maybe it's just because I'm weird. But I feel like I've drawn her before. Okay. Look at the shoot. We got that circle. We got that potato head. Wait, shoot. Shoot. Wait, what? What? Yeah, okay. I need to make that circle bigger. It's not... There we go. Good enough for now. Wait, what? I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. All sorted out. Okay. Ow. No. What am I doing? Right. Got that hair that I give the cats for no reason. Oh. Wait, what? I get so sidetracked so easily. I forget what I'm talking about. What? Anyway. I need to, like, tell you guys what's been going on. So, like, a week or two ago, maybe? I don't know, man. I don't keep track of the time. I don't have a calendar that's up to date in my house anymore. So, I don't even know when it was, so. I know it was on a Wednesday, but I went to a camp, and that was pretty fun. All the missing work wasn't fun, but, last Friday, the 15th, also the anniversary of Julius Caesar being stopped, that was the last day of the third quarter this school year, so, I had all my missing work. We're going to the movie theaters for our prize for surviving through the third quarter of this year. I don't know what movie we're seeing, but I really hope it's not one of the freaking, new Disney movies or anything. I don't wanna see none of that. I mean, I don't think any of them are really in theaters anymore. Now, if we were watching the FNAF movie in the theaters, that's a different story. Yeah. Good movie, by the way. Now, what we really need is a Warrior Cats movie. like 2 years ago, I saw news that there might be a Warrior Cats movie. Where's my movie? Where is my Battle Cats movie? Where is it? Please. Give me my movie, please. I want the movie. I don't really... how do I word this? Okay. I don't really like movies very much. Like, it depends on the movie, obviously. Like, I'll accept to watch the movie, but just movies in general are such a pain to watch because you're sitting there for, like, a whole hour and a half. That is if you're watching, like, your average kid's movie or whatever. They're normally around an hour and a half. But then you got the movies that are like 3 hours long. No, I'm not sitting through all of that if I can hardly sit still for like 10 minutes. It's just kind of painful just to be like in like a dark room for hours. Watched a movie yesterday. Good movie. Really good movie. But, like, I was hungry the whole time because I eaten bread for dinner. Only because I chose to. Just so you know. What is that tail? Sorry, I heard my dad yell from the living room. He's playing Dragon Ball Z Kakarot because it got, like, these new DLCs. Rest in peace, Akira Toriyama. You will be missed. I'm gonna cry. Anyway. So, yeah. I doubt the microphone is gonna pick up on any of that, though. It's just funny. Funny to hear. Just kind of yell out every now and then. Something that you guys could do, like, you could always give me, like, drawing recommendations, comment them on any video you want. I'm going to be probably saying that a lot, and I'm going to put it in my description to keep you guys reminded that you can give me stuff to draw. I'm not drawing just Warrior Cats, because my channel is mainly surrounded... It's mainly about Warrior Cats, but it's also about drawing. Warrior Cats and drawing, that's the two things that... Well, so yeah. You guys can give me recommendations. I'll take them depending on what they are, obviously. Some I may or may not be able to do, depending on if I know the character or not, or... Yeah, just stuff like that. Yeah. So, yeah, if you're tired of waiting for the next Dragon Warrior Cats to come out, and you don't know literally anything about Warrior Cats, just give me recommendations on what you would like to see me attempt to draw. It would help keep everyone less bored. Because then you won't have to wait a whole year. Speaking of a whole year, sometime in April, I'm gonna find out what day it is. Don't worry. But I know it was sometime in April because I know it was after I went on my trip all the way down to Alabama during Easter. Anyway, I know I started it like the day after I came back, but I forget what day I came back. So yeah, it would be my 1 year anniversary on YouTube with only 54 subscribers. So yeah, I don't know if I'll do another live stream for that, because you know how painful it was to do that live stream. I don't know if all of you have seen it. It was part 10, if you guys were wondering why I skipped a whole part. But yeah, I'll have to decide on what I want to do for that one. You guys can give me recommendations on what you would like to see me do for that. Whether it's like a whole piece of artwork or just like kind of like a chill drawing thing. Yeah. 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 No. It's very nice. What do I want to do with this? Show that she's a traitor. She's not a traitor. She's really not. She was just trying to protect. Well, what? What? She's the one who. Ow! What? Okay, Hollyleaf All the Sun doesn't make sense to me. Okay, spoilers for series 3. So, yeah, Ashfur knew the secret that Squirrelflight wasn't their mother. So then Hollyleaf had to kill him to make sure that he wouldn't spill out that secret to protect them. And but then at the gathering, she's like, "Hey, Squirrelflight's the liar." Yeah, to like all of the clans. So that all of a sudden doesn't make sense to me. Spoilers over. I'll think about that later when I'm not being recorded. I was thinking about doing something cool with the name, but I don't think that would work. Just my beautiful Holly Gosh Golly Willikers. I've been getting those YouTube shorts everywhere lately. Like those never search up your favorite BFTI character. And it's like, Holly Gosh Golly Willikers. Holly Gosh Golly Willikers. While scrolling through cursed pictures of their favorite character. It's so stupid. Sometimes trends are so stupid. Let's just talk about trends real quick. Trends are really stupid when you look back at them. Like, you're just kind of looking back and like thinking, why did this exist? Like, let me name a few examples. When the Lorax all of a sudden became a whole deal, and everywhere was like, how bad can I be? And then like, I can't name any in between. But then it was like all this Skibidi Toilet, and then like Smurf Cat, and we live, we love what we want. I can't. Oh, what's the main trend I've been getting? I don't know, man. I don't know. But it's not the stuff I even want. Trends are weird. Trends are stupid. But sometimes I really love them. And no, I won't try to keep up with any trends. Because I was going to try to do a trend that was popping up on my For You page all of a sudden randomly. I was going to attempt to do that, but then I kind of gave up after, like, drawing a single line. But, I mean, I can tell you guys what it was, and you guys can let me know if you actually wanted to see that or not, because then, getting support and, like, stuff like that might make me want to do it again. Yeah, you guys, know that song, Tribute by Tenacious D? Yeah, there was, like, a trend that was going around for, like, a week or two of that. And there's, like, a specific video is like, the seating chart that nobody wanted. And it's, like, that one part or whatever. I can't. I feel so stupid explaining this. Yeah, I was going to try to do that, but I gave up. So yeah, you guys can let me know if you actually wanted to see that or not, because I might pick it back up and do it again. Okay, well, I've kept you guys here talking about trends long enough, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.